It's like right now. It's like wow. It's like right now. It's like wow. It's like right now. Oh wow. It's my life, your life. Live it once, can't live it twice. So nice, so nice. Smooth like a tidal wave, take you on a getaway. My friends, your friends. Living every day like it's just about the end. Now they're pissing in the wind cause it's so pine fresh right now. Yeah, I wanna get it like it's like right now. It's like wow. It's like giddy up. It's like right now. Oh wow, it's like right now. It's your life, falling like a hot knife. Call your wife, suck your little times these times. My demons on a cell phone, to your demons, nothing's even right or wrong. It's irrelevant, elephant in the room goes boom. Standing on your lawn doing jujitsu, girl in a bikini with a Lamborghini Shih Tzu. Your life, you gotta try to get it right. Look around, don't forget where you came from. It's just another perfect night. We're gonna take it around. We're gonna take it around. Ride these winding horses. Ride these winding horses. We're gonna take it around the world.
Wow, wow.
Giddy up. Giddy up.
Brian is your 50K leader right now. What's up, Brian? Brian is starting his last lap. He's your 50K leader.
Only got a couple miles to go if you're trying to drive me insane. I saw you crack a smile about a week ago in the middle of the pouring rain. I climbed the cliffs of Dover to go try out in the sun. I'm like a four-leaf clover 'cause I hide from everyone. Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. When I get up, I gotta give me a plan to do whatever I can, I suppose. I'm already working for my Uncle Sam. You know he's got me counting Cheerios. Crying on my shoulder, I'm allergic to the tears. He's trying for the soldier to pretend for all these years. Shine on me, shine on me, shine on me, shine.
All right, runners, good job. What's up, Brian? Your 50K leader has just gone back to the start-finish line.
Gotta keep my red pants on so my eyes won't burn. While they
folks, your 50K winner. Here he comes to the finish line from Grand Rapids, Michigan. Number 147, Brian Steinberg. Way to go, Brian. Welcome to East Tennessee.
Good job, sir.
Shine on me.
There is a crowd in here that fooled themselves.
real loud.
Brought their friends and they made their hell. They faked their grin in a lonely cell to the bitter end. But what do I know? There are a few in here that hurt themselves. They kick and bend in a dried up well. They call for help and you know them well.
Ashley, come on!